Welcome back to Motor Masters, your ultimate destination for the latest in the automotive world. Today, we dive into the 2025 Seat Leon, a hatchback that combines sporty aesthetics, advanced technology, and efficient powertrains to redefine the driving experience. The 2025 Leon continues Seat's legacy of offering a dynamic yet practical vehicle, perfect for both city commutes and highway adventures. The exterior design boasts sharper lines, a wider stance, and an updated front grille, giving it an aggressive yet sophisticated appeal. The redesigned LED headlights and tail lights, along with an illuminated seat logo at the rear, add to its modern look. The aerodynamic enhancements not only improve efficiency but also contribute to a more refined ride. The 2025 Seat Leon's interior is equally impressive, featuring a driver-focused cockpit with a high-resolution 10.25-inch digital instrument cluster and a 12-inch touchscreen infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The use of premium materials, customizable ambient lighting, and ergonomic seating ensures comfort and style. The new model also comes with an advanced voice control system and enhanced connectivity features, making every drive more intuitive. In terms of powertrains, the 2025 Seat Leon offers a variety of options, including turbocharged petrol, mild hybrid, and plug-in hybrid variants. The 1.5-liter TSI petrol engine delivers up to 150 horsepower, while the plug-in hybrid version pairs a 1.4-liter TSI engine with an electric motor, producing a combined 204 horsepower and offering an electric-only range of around 60 kilometers. The mild hybrid variant enhances efficiency with a 48V system, reducing fuel consumption while maintaining performance. All models feature a refined DSG automatic transmission, ensuring seamless gear shifts and a responsive driving experience. The chassis and suspension system have been fine-tuned for optimal balance between comfort and agility, with the sportier FR trim offering an adaptive suspension for a more engaging ride. Safety is a priority in the 2025 Seat Leon, with an array of advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, and blind spot monitoring. The new model also includes an improved emergency braking system and a 360-degree camera for enhanced visibility in tight spaces. The Seat Leon's technology suite extends to its connected services, enabling remote access to vehicle data, preconditioning, and over-the-air updates. Fuel efficiency remains a strong point, with the petrol variants achieving around 5.5 liters per 100 kilometers, while the plug-in hybrid variant boasts even lower fuel consumption when driven in electric mode. The 2025 Seat Leon continues to be an excellent choice for those seeking a stylish, technologically advanced, and efficient hatchback with a sporty character. Whether you opt for the standard model or the performance-oriented FR trim, this car delivers a well-rounded package for modern drivers. Stay tuned to Motor Masters for more updates on the latest cars, reviews, and in-depth comparisons. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new Seat Leon and which features excite you the most. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more automotive content.